It's the time of the year again, and we don't want to miss the must-have during the rainy season. The Efficascent ointment that's been a lifesaver for me when dealing with colds. Just take a small amount and gently rub it onto your chest, throat, and back. It helps relieve congestions and open up your airways, making it easier to breathe. It's really a game changer for me during the rainy season. Affordable, convenient, and does really the trick in relieving symptoms for cough and colds. If you're looking for relief from cold symptoms this rainy season, definitely give Efficascent ointment a try. Keep it handy in your bag or apply it before bedtime for a good night's sleep. Available at Shopee and Lazada.